Hi guys, on this tutorial I'll be showing you how to have this dress sleeve as you have been requesting for. So I'll be making use of this paper, and the length of the paper is 24 inches and the weight is 18. So I fold it into two, just we used to fold our sleeve fabric. You can see I have 9 inches, but for that weight you can decide on using anyone. You can make use of 12, 11, 10, but for that particular dress requested for the tutorial I make use of 10 inches for the weight side. I make use of 10 inches, and I do not couldn't remember very well the length I used, but it's a big close to the hip side on that dress. So after that, at this center part you mark half inch downward, just the way I'm doing, just half inch downward. So after the our center part is not starting from that line now, not that edge, it's starting from the line, as you see. So the next thing is to determine my cap height. My cap height starts from 4, it's 4, and I will mark it out, the 4. After that I mark my elbow, which is 12 inches, and the full length is 24. But if you want your length to be longer, depending on your choice, now determine how long the fabric also will be. So because of this paper I'm using, I just have 24, and that 24 will be the length for this paper illustration. So after that, the next thing I will be doing now is to shape out my armhole at the edge. You can see I'm using my free hand though, but you can see how I use my free hand to achieve that armhole curve. So after achieving this armhole, the next I'm doing is taking my measurements. My measurement, that cap measurement is 7.5, but I had half inch for the sewing allowance. My elbow is 7, I have half inch for the sewing allowance. And at that edge, that sleeve edge, now depending on the weight you use will determine what you have there. You just try to blend your hand outward the way I do from that elbow. And for this side parts where I want the joining to stop is like 10 inches, so I cut it out here. So after cutting it out here, I've already marked my 10 inches where I want the stitches to stop, where it will cover before the opening starts. The next thing is to cut the middle. You can decide to cut it all through, you can leave it in the middle side and join it together. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I will be joining it from that edge till it reach that mark 10 inches I mark. For the part that will be close, I will stitch it on my sewing machine to that side. So after stitching in the open parts, I will now turn it. I can turn it, sew it on my sewing machine, or you use hemming gum. You can turn it and sew it on your sewing machine, or you use hemming gum, depending on your choice and what you want. So after that, this side, just assuming we have already stitched this and the upper parts on our sewing machine, I'll be using tape to tape it now. So you can see what we have. So it's very simple illustration. Just the next thing is to shape it out, insert it in your armhole. So thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for showing up for me always, and let me know if you have any video, any story you want me to show you. Thank you. See you next